Welcome back to Kiyoshi Comics. My name's Mike, and hope everybody's night's going really well. Mine's okay so far. I'm just watching Little Matrix, catching up on the Matrix trilogy. The movie was but it's Matrix, so you can't complain. Who thought they were gonna make a fourth one, right? So I got this package in the mail. It's right here, and it's a comic book that I bought 2 days or 3 days before Christmas. I told the guy if he could ship it out really quick. I was hoping to get it on Christmas so I can make a video on Christmas about it, but it didn't happen. So it just got here today, and I'm so excited to show you the unboxing of this because this is my first unboxing. But we'll see how it goes, right? So before I unbox it, let me tell you why I bought it. Now, my grandfather has the same book. He bought it in 1993 on TV when they had like the TV specials of buy this comic, it's gonna be worth some money, and in X amount of years. It didn't really go up at all, but it was 1993, right? Who knew anything was gonna happen in 1993? I was just a kid too. So. Anyways, CGC came in existence in the year 2000, and I'm not sure what CBCS came out, but I know they came out after CGC because some people didn't like CGC, so they kind of made their own company, which is CBCS. They thought CGC was too strict, as in their grading, as in they have to be there to witness it, to verify the signatures. And CBCS, I guess they were like, this is too harsh. We want, if it's not fair for people that didn't have CGC predate 2000, they could never get a yellow label. So CBCS kind of made their own company, saying, yeah, we'll give you a label. It ain't gonna be the same label, but we'll verify it with our expert, and which is pretty cool. Something different. Some people like it, some people don't, because it's not 100%. It's just the expert saying, I think this is the signature based on my training and X amount of years working. I can vouch for this signature. And CGC is like, no, we want 100%. If we have to see it, that makes it 100% legit signature, which is also true, but it's up to the consumer what they want, how they want to go about it. But in my case, I have a signature on this book that predates both companies. It's 1993, and I have to take it to CBCS. Now, I think that was going to be the coolest thing, because I've never went to CBCS before and got anything graded. I sent stuff to CGC and got graded before, but I never got anything graded myself. I already bought books that were already graded by CBCS, but going up there and doing the process of CBCS, I think that'll be pretty cool. I'll learn from it, and I think this channel will learn from it as well. So that's what I want to do. I want to take this book and my grandfather's book that's the same as this one. They both have the certificate of authenticities, which they don't really even look at those anymore, but it's just good to have if you have one. And get a verified signature by their experts. So that's what we're going to do. And that's the reason why I bought it. I want to get a verified signature. I never had one before. And we'll see what happens. Okay, that's enough of the history. We don't want no more history. We want to open this bad boy up. Let's shoot for a 9.6 or up, okay? No 9.4s and down. I bought the best one, I thought, on eBay from the pictures, and we'll see what we're gonna get. Okay, let's just open up this bad boy. All right, let's do it. I already opened up the top here, so it'll be easier for me, but I haven't looked at it. I'm kind of excited about this. Never did an unboxing on Kiyoshi Comics before. All right, let me get this tape out the way without damaging this book. It'll be worth nothing. Let's see here. Oh, well, I guess there's some tape over here on this side. Let's see here. They really got this thing going. Oh, there you go. All right, guys and girls. There she is in all of her glory. It's a Lobo portrait of a victim. Number 2094 out of 3,000 signed in 1993. That's awesome, right? And then look, it's like in shiny silver. It was signed by Val Semeiks. I hope that I didn't butcher his last name, but I'm not good with names. Everybody knows that. And look at this bad boy. Boom, my certificate of authenticity. Wow, this is amazing. This is amazing. Yeah, this is cool. This is awesome. It was worth the wait. It was worth the extra 2 days. I didn't get to open up on Christmas, but hey, I'm by myself and I got y'all guys, and you know, that's all I need. So look at that. That's amazing. Kiyoshi Comics right here. Like, when are you gonna see something like this? It's amazing, right? Okay, I'm gonna try to grade this book based on just being a comics expert, I guess you would say. I would think if we sent this book, or when we send this book to CBCS, it's a 1993. I would say it's not gonna get a gem mint, guys. I'm just not. I have a better chance of getting the lottery than getting gem mint. I would say if I had to put some money on it, I would say 9.8. No less than a 9.6. Nowhere. It's not going to be a 9.4. It's not going to be a 9.4. It's going to be a 9.6 or above. 9.6 or above. I'm hoping a 9.8. 9.8. That's what I'm hoping. What's good about it is in this real hard plastic, and it looks like it's been in here for a long time. And this plastic's actually the same one that my grandfather has in his 1993 when he bought it from the TV. And I'm pretty sure everybody bought this comic from the TV. I think so. I think. I don't know. I was like 5 years old, but I'm just thinking. I didn't think they had a comic like place and then they had them signing because they only had 3,000 copies. I don't think they're gonna half it. I think they're gonna put it all on the TV. Just 3,000. So yeah, so I think he bought it from the TV as well. This comic, it's not really worth anything right now. Like I said, I seen some going for like $8, just like this. But I mean, I bought the best one that I can find. Like if you look on eBay and look up this comic, you'll find somewhere a little damage, you know, from the pictures. You want to zoom in on those pictures. You want to go in and look at that spine. You want to see if there's any creases. You want to see if there's any tears or color coming off. You know, it is a older comic, 1993, so there is going to be some damage unless they just got it and just left it there for years and years and years. Like this one looked like it has. It doesn't look like it's ever been opened. I don't see like when you open a book, it kind of creases here because you opened it. You know, I don't see that in this one. So I'm hoping it would get a 9.8. And let's hope for that. And then it has this. So even though I'm going to take it to CBCS, they don't really care about this. Or CGC doesn't care about it either. It used to back in the day before the grading companies, but not so much now. They're experts at their facilities. Either facility will will verify it for you. I know CGC won't verify the signature on this one. They'll give you a green label because they'll actually knock it off because they weren't there witnessing it, which is really not fair because it's 1993, predates them, but that's just the way they are. CBCS, they would get their verified signature guy to come and look at it and verify it. This would help to show that it's real. I mean, it ain't gonna hurt. It ain't gonna hurt, us. This is more proof that it's more legit. So, yeah, I mean, I'm gonna keep this even with the book. I'm not gonna throw it away. I'm gonna keep it with it once I get it slabbed, and let me see what it gets. I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully my grandfather comes with me. If not, then I'll take his book with me if he can't make it, and we'll see who gets the better grade, right? I seen his book and he opened it one time. I think this one looks a tad better. If this one doesn't get a 9.8, he might get a 9.6. At the very least, he will get a 9.4, but I'm thinking he might get a 9.6. I'm hoping this gets a 9.8. I don't think it's going to get a gem int because I do see a little bit of color coming off here. But that could just be because it's old. I mean, but I really want a 9.6 or above. I really, 9.6 or above. I mean, but we'll see what we get. Yeah, it looks amazing, right? I just can't get it. I just can't get enough of it. Thank you. I want to thank everybody for watching my unboxing video of my comic book. I was really excited. I'm still really excited of what we're going to do with this book. Send it to CBCS and get that verified signature. Hopefully we get a 9.8. No less than a 9.6. I'm going to go ahead and possibly take my grandfather's with me. If not, I really want him to come with me. So I can show him the process of it. He seemed like he was really interested because he's been hanging on to his book since 1993. So, it'll be really exciting to do something like that with my grandfather and see what kind of grade he gets. Hopefully, since we live in Dallas and the facilities in Dallas will get a faster turnaround. We shouldn't be paying shipping. We could just, since we live here, I think we should just take it up to the facility and save a little bit of cash. And that would be awesome. But yeah, I can't wait to show y'all the process of sending it to CBCS, and we'll see. I'm waiting for those emails to come in so I can get that appointment so I can take them up there, and we'll go from there. Thank you, and please subscribe to see more, and I'm excited to show you more content of comic books.